Hello guys, welcome to the another video of my channel Sarika Tutorials. In this video we will discuss about the monohybrid, dihybrid and trihybrid crosses and how to find out the genotype and phenotype ratio of this cross. After we have done with all three crosses in orthodox method and by using Punnett square method, after then we will give a short formula by which we can also reach to those ratio. Now the monohybrid cross. Monohybrid is the when we take only one character of the plant, then it is called monohybrid. I already discussed about the monohybrid cross in earlier video. You can check in I button also. In this slide we will see that parent 1 is pure tall and parent 2 is pure dwarf, and the gamete produced by parent 1 is capital T and the gamete produced by parent 2 is the small t and small t. In F1 generation we will cross these two gametes by the help of Punnett square. We will get the ratio of 4:0. The phenotypic ratio is the 4:0 and the genotypic ratio is also 4:0. Phenotypically all plants are tall and the genotypically all plants are heterozygous, that is it have capital T and small t also. In F2 generation, we will cross the F1 members, that is capital T and small t cross with the capital T and small t. Gamete produced by this member is capital T and small t, that is one is dominant and one is recessive, and when we plot this in a Punnett square we will get the result 3:1 ratio. Phenotypically in F2 generation it is 3:1 ratio, that is 3 of the plant is tall and 1 of the plant is dwarf, and genotypically ratio it is 1:2:1, in which one plant is pure tall, 2 plant is hybrid tall and 1 again is the pure dwarf. In dihybrid cross, we would be taking the two character, that is capital T, it is pure tall, capital P is purple in color, crossed with the small t that is short plant, and small p which is white in color. And the gamete produced by this plant will be capital T and capital P, and all four gametes would be of same type, and other gametes produced by the plant are small t and small p, and also the all four gametes would be of same type. If we put it in a Punnett square here to find out the ratio in F1 generation, that is capital T, capital P, and for the four gametes of small t and small p, we will get the ratio of 16:0. It means in F1 generation all are tall plants having purple flower. As we get these possible gametes in F1 generation, it is allowed to self-pollination. Mendel observed 4 phenotypes. When we plot these gametes in a Punnett square, then we get this phenotypic ratio, that is 9:3:3:1, and genotypic ratio is 1:2:1:2:4:2:1:2:1. 4 phenotypes are observed here, that is 9 plants are of tall plants with the purple flower, 3 plants are of tall with white flower, and 3 are short plants with the purple flower, and 1 is the short plant with white flower. In the trihybrid cross, we will take the 3 character or the 3 traits in which The capital T is the tallness of the plant, and the capital P is the purple color flower, and the capital A is the axial position of the flower, is crossed with the small t, that is dwarfness of the plant, and the small p is white in color of flower, and the small a is the terminal position of the flower. The gamete produced by the parent 1 is the capital T, capital P, and capital A is of 8 type, and the gamete produced by the parent 2 is the small t, small p, small a is also of 8 types. If we plot these gametes in a Punnett square, we will get the ratio of 64:0. The phenotypic ratio is 64:0. All these plants will be of tall, purple, and axial in position, and the genotypic ratio is also 64:0, and all plants are going to be heterozygous, purple, and axial. By plotting these gametes in a Punnett square, we can find out the result of phenotypic ratio and genotypic ratio of 64:0 ratio in F2 generation also. But as we are preparing for exam and we don't have any time to take out the ratio, so we have a short formula by which we can reach out to this ratio. Let us cross check using the formula these two crosses which we have already know. The short formula to find out the phenotypic ratio is 3:1 raised to the n. In the case of monohybrid, the formula is 3:1 raised to the power 1. The result we will get 3:1. And in case of dihybrid, the formula is 3:1 raised to the power 2, and we will get the ratio 9:3:3:1. And in case of trihybrid, the formula is 3:1 raised to the power 3, and the ratio we will get is 27:9:9:9:3:3:3:1. Now to find out the genotypic ratio of the monohybrid, dihybrid, and the trihybrid ratio, we will put the formula 1:2:1 raised to the power n. In place of n, here n is the number of characters and traits, so we can put it by the number. In monohybrid, we will place 1 in the place of n, and we will get the ratio 1:2:1. In dihybrid ratio, we will place 2 in the place of n, we will get 1:2:1:2:4:2:1:2:1. And in the trihybrid ratio, we will place 3 in the place of n, and we will get the ratio 2:4:2:1:2:1:2:4:2.